Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Place bacon slices one next to the other on the prepared baking sheet. Bake in the preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes.
Let's help you make your mark.
Heat the oven to 450 degrees. Arrange the bacon in a single layer on 2 aluminum foil-lined rimmed baking sheets, or, for extra crispy bacon, arrange on 2 wire racks set over 2 foil-lined rimmed baking sheets. Bake until the bacon is browned and starts to ripple, or to desired doneness, 10 to 20 minutes.
Take our lead.
The trick to cooking bacon in the oven with no mess is first lining your baking sheets with foil, then layering a piece of parchment paper over the foil. When you cook bacon in the oven, the bacon strips stay flat and there is no grease spatter.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The classic method. In a skillet. Pull out the bacon from the fridge 15 to 20 minutes before cooking. At room temperature, bacon just cooks up better, just like steak. Don't preheat the skillet. Cook over medium heat, again, good for even rendering. Drain well on a paper towel-lined platter.
Let's help you make your mark.
Can I get crispy bacon in the microwave? Bacon cooked in the microwave will be a little bit chewier, but it will also be crispy. Start with cooking the bacon for 4 minutes and cook for an additional minute at a time until it's as crispy as you like. But remember, the bacon will get crispier as it cools.
Take our lead.
Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Line a rimmed baking sheet with aluminum foil and place a baking rack on top. Position bacon strips on the baking rack. Bake in the preheated oven until crispy, 15 to 20 minutes.
Take our lead.
Place rack in the center of the sheet pan. Arrange the bacon on top of the rack so they're evenly spaced apart and don't overlap. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 191 degrees Celsius, for 15 minutes, then carefully flip over and cook until the bacon is fully cooked, golden in color and crisp, about 8 to 10 minutes depending on the thickness.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.